Hello, starvation. In this video, we are going to discuss about starvation and the definition, followed by the etiology, followed by types of starvation and their clinical signs and symptoms have been discussed in detail. And coming to definition of starvation, in definition, it is an actual withholding of food or otherwise administration of a unsuitable food. In types, it can be of two types. One is acute starvation and another is chronic starvation. In acute starvation, where it results from a sudden and total withholding of food alone or otherwise food and drink. And here the word drink denotes the water intake. And followed by chronic starvation, where it results from a prolonged but gradual continuous deficiency in intake of food and nutrients in adequate quantity. Coming to causes of starvation, first and foremost being ignorance of the uneducated masses, where lack of knowledge about gross nutritional value of food, where most commonly prevalent in the uneducated masses. And second is a circumstantial, where individual being trapped in a state of famine, where there is no adequate food resources available, or in other extreme natural calamities like in an event of a landslide, or trapped in pits and mines, or any other natural calamity where an individual being trapped and the source of food being inhibited, and in those cases the individual will show features of starvation and he suffers from a starvation. And the third being deliberate as a part of a negligence either by the parents or otherwise the guardian, where here the victims are unwanted babies or the babies born of an unlawful or otherwise unhappy married life, and old people or people who have been suffering from disease condition are being the victims, and they have been forced for an deliberate starvation by their caregivers. And fourth being diseased condition, and in diseased condition the individual suffering from a carcinoma of esophagus or carcinoma of stomach or other GIT tract may show features of starvation or reduced intake, and followed by features of starvation will be present. And in otherwise, a psychiatric individual who suffers from a major depressive disorder also suffers from a features of starvation. And other reasons could be deliberate starvation. In deliberate starvation, any metabolic disorder in form of diabetes mellitus or any other chromosomal abnormality where starvation can be present. And in willful withholding of food as a part of a religious ritual, individual can withhold a food, or otherwise as a sign of a protest to some injustice, people can withhold food for some time. Willful refusal to take food in observance of religious rituals, and second is as a form of a protest against some alleged injustice, and third from suffering from a mental illness, as an example same as a major depressive disorder or a schizophrenia, where individual willfully refusal to take a food in adequate quantity and they suffer from state of starvation. Pathophysiology of starvation, slide number 6, where individual being exposed to starvation, there will be a gradual breakdown of adipose and muscle masses for energy, and after about 24 hours, glycogen stores will be depleted and they will be used as an energy material, and if the state continues after 24 hours, a phase of lipolysis will occur, and followed by adipose tissues will go for a breakdown, and there will be release of free fatty acids, that they have been used as a fuel for an energy. And in liver, synthesis of ketone bodies occur, and in the state of starvation, when a urine has been subjected for an examination, there will be increased level of free fatty acids and ketone bodies can be demonstrated in urine samples. Signs and symptoms of starvation, acute starvation. First and foremost, feeling of a hunger for first 30 to 48 hours, and usually it will be associated with pain in epigastrium and usually revealed by applying of pressure, and there will be general emaciation, and eyes will appear to be shrunken, glistening, pupils will be dilated, cheeks appear shrink, and the soft tissue over cheek area appear to be shrunken, and followed by prominence of bony structures. Lips appear to be dry, cracked, thirst will be intolerable, saliva will be thick in consistency and will be in scanty, and the tongue appears to be coated. Weak voice will be present, where on external examination, skin will be dry, rough, thin, inelastic, wrinkled, and pigmented. Mostly, it will be hyperpigmented, and even features of hyperkeratosis will be also present. And if there been a negligence, continuous friction over the skin surface, either by scratching and other, and it can result in a discontinuity of an epithelium, and individual being in state of a negligence, where secondary infections, and even it can even leads to septicemia and other. And coming to point 3, towards prominence of ribs and supraclavicular fossa, and cardiac insufficiency will be present, bradycardia will be present, temperature will be subnormal, and features of constipation followed by dysentery or in a diarrhea just prior to death can occur, and urine appears to be scanty, turbid, and highly concentrated. As a sign of a negligence, where offensive odor can also seen over the patient of starvation. Slide number 9, towards features of chronic starvation. As a state of decreased food intake or no food intake prolonged for a longer period, and it can lead to this clinical picture, where loss of well-being will be present, there associated with hunger pains will be present, as there been no intake of food for a longer period, where it can result in mental and physical lethargy, and easy fatigability can also be associatedly present, and followed by there will be progressive loss of weight, features of polyuria will be present, increasing cachexia will be present, features of hyperpigmentation, and the features of anemia and hypothermia will also be present. And when you talk about vascular system, where features of hypotension, cardiac insufficiency will be present, and central nervous system, there will be features of mental retardation, and in case of wet type of protein energy malnutrition, where features of edema will be present, and most commonly features will be present in feet, and followed by the lower limbs will also be present. And as there is no any adequate proper food of nutritional value has not been taken for a longer period, where there will be a state of immunocompromise, where individual show features of reduced resistance to infection, and where even biochemical values like there will be low levels of blood sugar, and low chlorides and low cholesterol will be also present. And coming to factors influencing the fatality, and in factors influencing fatality, first and foremost the age criteria, where children and infants are most vulnerable, and they have an increased fatality when compared to the old persons and adults. and old persons can stand starvation better. And when you come to when we talk about six as a criteria, women can stand starvation better than men. And coming to body condition, fatty and healthy individuals stand starvation better. And in environmental condition, exposure to cold and extreme heat shortens the life. And in intercurrent infections can also causes early death, where the individual does not have a resistance for infection. And coming to last point, physical exertion, and it will enhance the effects of starvation, where continuous energy expenditure can result in a earlier fatality in case of an individual who is suffering from state of chronic starvation. Thank you so much for your patient listening. If there have been any doubt and query, either you can address through the social media links or otherwise in the comment section below. Thank you.